Hey guys, thanks for visiting our webpage and watching our videos. If you have any questions, just give us a phone call at the number below. Thanks.
You are going to love the 2019 Ford Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.